Hey, just telling you, unbox today. I bought this at a thrift store. What is it? It's called a hot tube professional soft Bennett hair dryer. Some of you might remember these going back into the 60s and early 70s. Now, this here is a vintage one. Really vintage, like, you know, typical for that type of era too. Now I'm gonna unboxing this unbox video here of this product I'm gonna do here. As the box is all tatted up. Why? Because it's pretty old. I got a nice candle on it. Got a nice handle on it. I admit to that. Oh, and there's some literature in here. I'm gonna all take out. This is sort of new old stock here. So, well, you have a warrant. Odd. I think it's a Denver, Colorado card. That's one that's just still valid. That's odd. Person had filled the warranty card out. So, well, I can fill this out and send it on to them. I doubt it's their own business, but it'd be a little interesting. It'd be like shocked to get it. They'd be surprised if I send it to them. Of course, that U.S. Postage do, you know. Yeah. I looked them up online because I could probably might be able to do this. A hot tube dryer. Hey, look at this. Hot combs. Product catalog. Over 60 metallics here. Products. Can't believe it. It's gotta be. This is like looking at buying this. Whoa. This is pretty vintage, like, oh my god. Things like curl irons, hot irons, crimp irons, and other irons, dryers, other types of dryers. None of these are, some of these are so valid, some are not. But surprised that you'll do here. Now, vintage dryers are one thing. But vintage electronics now another. Now, oh my god, the owner's manual. It's safe to say, tell you right off the bat, the owner's manual here is the most important part. Remember that. This is the most important part. No barcodes on it, nothing. But it is the owner's manual, the most important part. But it says Denver, Colorado. Well, we can tell how old this is. Actually pretty new. I'm just going to say what I'm going to do now. This is a compact dryer here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to put this box away. I don't know how old this stuff is, but I'm going to have to find out here. Should be able to open the end up here and get it out, but it might take me a while because I don't think this ever been out of package set. This could be the being this new old stock here. I don't know. Yeah. Pull to open. Yeah, it's in there pretty tight. Oh, nope, I got it now. Okay. This is the cap. The cord. I don't think this ever been used. It looks really dry for cap. Cord that somebody never touched. Who knows? The holes in the other end of this. And this is a hole right here. Get them out like that. Oh, there's the hose for that. Now the hose. Actually, this has never really been used. Pretty new. I'm going to put this down here because it's a hot tub dryer. Very compact indeed. Now this is the hood I know how good that is. I'll find out when I look at it later on. But this concludes this vintage unboxing, an old dryer here. You know, this is pretty old vintage unboxing here. It concludes this old dryer unboxing here. I haven't been one of these for a long time, huh? This is pretty good shape for it is. I've been sitting in a box all the time, but no. Looks like this never ever been used. Brand new out of the box, never used. So I'm happy about that. It looked nice. I'm gonna say, I wonder if it even runs good. I have to plug it in. I plug this in to find out now, but actually, fact, I probably am gonna plug it in. Looks pretty new to me. It never been used. Coil still on there. It's like brand new from the factory. I don't even know if it's gonna run, huh? Sitting too long. Oh, running phase. Age is this. I think about 70-year-old dryer. 74-year-old, 1974 dryer. I think it's running very well. Heats up nice. Tell the old. Oh. Bring the dust off. Heating this up a bit. Let it warm. It's been sitting for a while. Yes, it still runs 48. That's nice. It does, but it does. That's old. Old stuff worked great. Oh, yeah. Huh. Anyways, maybe I should register a product because it's probably still online. 2006 the date. Huh. Pretty good dryer for it is, my God. Man, I get good stuff sometimes. And we got the manual. Anyways, vlog over.